Hi there! One of the features that Google Labs is now making available to individuals that do have a Gemini plan is called Whisk Animate. And if you go to Labs Google, you can click on the element that says Whisk Animate. The idea in Whisk Animate is to add images and then to allow the AI to animate those images. We're going to upload the image. We're now going to use their image. We're now going to animate that image. And we're going to ask for the animation to do something specific. And we're then going to click Enter. We're going to allow Whisk Animate to take one of our generations to undertake our prompt. So now that this 8-second clip is now done, we can now see what Whisk Animate did with this particular image. And you can see the animation a little clearer. So Whisk Animate is something to come. And obviously, this is going to get better as the engine gets better, and it's part of Google VO's engine. So again, you need to have the paid version of Gemini in order to access Whisk Animate. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.